All right, so tomorrow I'll have the doorknob on, and this door is finished being painted. And as you can see, I got all of the quarter panel rust out of it, and then that's going to be last. That's the last thing I'm going to do. But I got all of that painted. As you can see, the High Sierra looks good in black. So this side of the truck is getting there. And then I got the gasket for the window, so I'm going to replace that for the top. So anyway, tomorrow I'll come out here and wipe it off and give it another coat of white. And then let's see, tomorrow is Thursday. Friday I'll come out and shoot the clear coat on it, because for shits and giggles I clear coated this door. So there's the clear coat. So I'm supposed to have 3 to 4 coats. So I'm gonna coat it again, and then I'm gonna do this quarter here, which has got a lot less rust in it than the other side, so this should be a lot faster. And then I'll take that lens out, because I really got to work on that corner there. But then I will start on Saturday. Saturday's the day the hood comes off the car, and I start working on the front end. But tomorrow I've got to make room for my new compressor, because I'm getting a 220 compressor, and I got to find room in my messy garage. I got to move all that shit out and make a space for it. So tomorrow I'll get the door panel on, I'll get the door handle in, and everything will be good. And then all of this will come off, and then I'll start with the painting there. And that bottom trim piece will be the last one I put on. Not really sure how. Oh yeah, it's got a screw on it and a screw there, so that'll be easy to screw in. And then it goes in for the transmission and transfer case as soon as the transfer case arrives. Supposed to come yesterday, but didn't show up, so we'll see what happens. And there we go.